like it survived shipping. Packed really well. Lots of foam. We got hardware. It's taped shut. We're gonna leave it taped shut for now until we install this. Got foam in the corners. What else we got? Instructions. It's the corner shower that I ordered. That's cool. Glad it finally showed up. Actually, this one got here real quick, so kudos to Home Depot for that. I guess the next step would be to show it installed, but that's going to be a while. So it survived shipping from the look of it.